Yes, I know. You need a tool for programming your Instagram stories for the future. And yes, I do know that you don't want a third-party apps and you don't want to pay anything. So I have the solution for you. We are going to use Meta Business Suite for programming our stories for the future. But first, I want you to have a look to the option that you have inside the Meta platform's ecosystem to know which are the things that you can do or not in the different kind of platforms. Well, the first thing that we need to know is that when accessing to, for example, Meta Business Manager, we are going to be able to manage the different kind of actives of a business, such as the people, editors, or admins of all your account, the access to the ads manager, or so many things, but the creation of Instagram stories. So Meta Business Manager is not the solution for you. But on the other hand, we have here a lot of times that Meta Creator Studio allow us to generate stories and a lot of different kind of contents for both Facebook and Instagram. But something is true. Even if Meta Creator Studio allow us to publish stories for Facebook, for Instagram is not possible. So if we access to Creator Studio, we can add the stories for Facebook, but if we click on Instagram and we try to generate a publication, those publications can be just content for the feed, not for the stories. It happens on Facebook. Okay, so again, Meta Creator Studio is not the solution. The solution is Meta Business Suite, with which we are going to be able to publish both content for stories on Instagram and Facebook. And the process is really, really simple. The only thing that you need is to go to business.facebook.com, since you are going to be redirected in an automatic way to the Meta Business Suite. And once there, just select the specific business in which you want to work. And once it is selected, the Facebook page and the Instagram accounts related to this business are going to be managed just by this specific part. The only thing that you need is to click on Create Story, and it is going to be as easy as selecting Instagram, Facebook, or both. Okay, if you want to publish the same story of both, and just add the multimedia elements that you want to have there. You have up to 10 images or videos to be published at the same time within Instagram stories. So make sure that you know that if you select more than one video or more than one image, they are going to be published all at the same time with the order that you want, like being different kind of frames of the same story. In our case, we have these 9 that are different kind of frames of the same storytelling, and you can just change the order. You can even change the way it seems, such as changing the time it lasts, the formats, and everything. Once you have done so, the only thing that you need is that with the creative tools, you can, by this one, change the aspect, okay, so the size of it in terms of space. You can also add some text, like creative text over the story. And you can also include some kind of stickers. The only thing that you cannot really do in a really easy way is using different kind of interactive tools, such as polls or things like that. For this, you will be needing to directly go to the app of Instagram and creating your content directly there. Okay, but in terms of text, in terms of size, in terms of stickers, and even in terms of the timeline, if you are creating videos, we don't have this tool there because there are all images, you can do so. You can also include different kind of links so that people can access to different kind of web pages by including your link there, okay? And once you have generating all your stories, okay, the links and the different kind of stickers and text can be placed frame by frame, okay? The only thing that you need to do is to click here and click on programming your story, and you just can select the specific date and the specific hour in which your story needs to be disseminated in both Facebook and Instagram, and you can do this separately. Also, I strongly recommend you to have a look to the optimal moments, because they say to you which are the best moment in both platforms for increasing the reach of your content. So I strongly recommend you to have a look to this, because sometimes you enhance your reach a lot. Just by doing so and clicking programming story, everything is going to be prepared for you to just relax and wait for this story to be published. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please contact us if you need extra information. Thank you so much for watching.